Yeah. Yeah. Love and scars. How many times can a heart break before it stops feeling love? I gave you my heart in the middle of the storm. Thought your love was the place I belonged. Late night calls, promises forever. Now I'm sitting here trying to hold myself together. You said I was different, said I was your peace. Now your silence got me fighting just to breathe. Every memory cuts deeper than before. Now I don't even know what I'm living for. And every night I still replay the words you used to say. Now your love feels miles away, but my heart still waits. I'm broken again, falling apart in the end. You left scars inside my soul. Now this house don't feel like home. Broken again, trying to heal from the pain. I gave you all of me. Now there's nothing left to save. Broken again. Smiling while my heart gets colder. We were supposed to grow together. Now I'm learning how to hurt alone. I hear your voice inside my head. Every word we left unsaid. Maybe love was never enough. Maybe forever was too tough. Tell me, did you ever really love me? Or was I just a chapter you were ready to leave behind? 'Cause I stayed scars. That's all you left me with.